All right, guys, guess who's back? Um, Back on the charts, back trading. I took a few weeks off, had a pretty major surgery, um, so I just want to take some time off. I'm still healing, but feeling well enough to trade now. So I took a trade today on GBP USD. Surprise, surprise, my favorite pair. And I genuinely thought this was a win, because I went to the washroom like halfway through the position. And then I looked closer and yeah, I got top wicked out. But let's break it down. So top down analysis. GBP has been flying for the past couple days. Um, as you can see, these are all daily candles, right? So this is like huge, huge, huge movement. We're definitely due for a retrace. Um, and we broke 4 hour structure also earlier, I think in London session, just here. Times is yeah. So just before London session, we broke 4 hour structure. So I was definitely looking for sells today or shorts today. Marked out this 4 hour bullish fair value gap. This one as well. Maybe we'll come down to here. Um, but I don't know. Maybe that seems like a lot of movement for one day. So perhaps tomorrow we'll come down to this one and rebound or um, but anyways, let's continue with today's trade. 1 hour, pretty much same thing. Bearish structure, some hourly highs over here. Hourly fair value gap within the 4 hour gap, and then we can go to the 15-minute chart. As you can see, classic Asian session consolidation. London session sweeps out Asian session highs and then reverses down here. So I was just looking for a continuation trade basically of the London manipulation. But as I've said before, and I have come to realize, there's always a mini manipulation in um, New York opening or New York AM session, typically between like 9:30 and 10, before the true trend shows itself. So I marked out these 15-minute highs here. Um, as areas that would potentially be manipulated before we moved further down. And then I marked out my take profit to be just at the middle of this 4 hour fair value gap because I wasn't sure there was enough momentum to completely fill it. But turns out there actually was. We're rebounding now, but that's whatever. So yeah, I entered basically not off of this 15-minute candle, but as soon as we broke structure here on the 5 minute. I tried to enter just with slippage, whatever I entered. My entry point was down here. I got maybe a little bit greedy with the stop loss, so it might be my fault for, well, it's always my fault if you lose, right? But yeah, so I had my stop loss actually just at the top of this wick, and I should have. It's literally in my rules as well, so this is a good lesson for me today. That's why I wanted to post this loss. Stop loss at the top of the liquidity sweep. Because price can always come back up here, do a little retracement. Like it was a double manipulation basically. We got these hourly highs taken out, break of structure, and then and I kind of got bamboozled here. We came back up to not manipulate these highs because technically they were already swept by this one. Um, but we did come back up above these highs before this huge down close candle here. So yeah, if I had my stop loss above the liquidity sweep, would have been a massive W today. But I I actually had it just here for some reason. Well, not for some reason, but I was just being a bit greedier with my stop loss just to get a slightly better RR. It's 3 pips. Realistically, I should have just had it up here, but that's why I'm journaling my trades just to learn. Um, but yeah, even though I lost, still glad to see that my idea was correct, and yeah, I'll only get better from here. So that's the trade for today, guys. Let me know. There's FOMC news coming out at 2 p.m., so maybe I'll take another trade after that. High impact news does tend to cause some pretty big movement in the market. But if it's not an A plus setup, I won't take it because I don't normally like taking more than one trade in a day. Um, but yeah, let me know how you guys have been doing this year so far. I mean, January has been pretty insane. I mean, if you trade gold, you know how crazy that's been. Crypto, I'm not even touching this year so far. Same with futures, but I don't even touch futures really. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.